Mark making. Let's make a splash. Prepare these materials. Rocket launcher, mahjong paper, masking tape, paint, paint palette. Step 1. Mount mahjong paper onto the wall using masking tape. Step 2. Choose preferred color. Step 3. Dip the tip of the toy rocket into paint. Step 4. Place toy rocket onto the launch pad. Step 5. Step or press onto the launcher to launch rocket onto the paper. Step 6. Repeat step 2 to step 5 as desired. Step 7. Leave artwork to dry. Here is the completed artwork. Here are some adaptations for you to consider. Students may step on the launch pad to launch the toy rocket. You may also consider using reusable water balloons with diluted paint to make it easier for students to manipulate. Example, to bounce it, press down on it, or throw it. The end.